Assalamualikum and welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another video of Etabs 2021. Up till now we have learned that how we analyze simple structures in Etabs 2021 and what is a global axis and what is a local axis. These all things we have learned. Now from this video we will gonna proceed towards the analysis of a whole structure. So first of all we will gonna learn for a structure like a building how we define the materials. But before starting my video I will request you to subscribe my channel and like this video and share it. So for defining your materials, first of all, in this video, we are gonna learn that how we define our materials, and in the upcoming videos, I will tell you that how to define the materials and what are the methods and what is the whole procedure, and I will also define some of the materials in front of you so that there will be no confusion for you. So, for defining the materials, you have opened your file or you have make new your file open. I have opened this and I have these three windows, and I will go to the menu bar, and here I have the fourth option as material properties. I will simply click on this. So when you click on this, we have four materials predefined in this. These are the built-in materials which are defined by the Etabs. So you can also modify these properties, but usually for our project, what we do, we define our separate materials. So I will, as you see that I have clicked on add new material, and it is asking you about region, material type, standard and grade. So if you are living in Pakistan, so we mostly use United States, or we also use some British standards, but mostly we use United States. And if you are living in India, so you can see that we have Indian standard, or if you living in any country, you can search on Google, or you will also know that what is a standard which are followed by your construction companies for building designs. So I will be just selecting United States, or you can make your own by selecting user, so you can make your own standard as well, but let us select with the United States. Then it is asking about the material type, that what type of material you are defining the standard. So mostly in the ETABS we use it for steel structures, concrete structures and rebars. Also we will see the other materials type as well, but in the initial we will only see these three materials: steel, rebar and concrete. Now a question will be arising in your mind that what is this steel and what is this rebar difference, what is the difference? So basically steel belongs to the steel structures, like whole beam of steel structure, like steel window, and mainly it consists of steel structures, and rebars consist of steel reinforcement. So you can say it as steel structure, steel members, and it is also a steel reinforcement, or simply reinforcement. So if we define rebars, and then I say select the material type as rebar, and now it is asking about my standard. So ASTM has two standard for rebars: A615, which is mostly used in Pakistan, and A706, which is recently, and I think so in 2019 it was modified, the previous standard, and now it is also in with use with the A615. So if I select for example A615 as my standard, you can also select the user one, meaning to say that you can define it by yourself also, but I select this, for example A615. Now it is asking about you the grade, that what grade of steel. It will be mentioned to you in the according to your need, and we will also see in the upcoming videos that how we select these grades as well. So I suppose I select grade 40 steel, and I will press OK. So a window like this appears before you: materials property data. So here what is, you have to write your material name. So you can use the standard name as well, meaning to say A615 standard and grade 40 steel. But it is recommended that you use such names that can be easily remembered for you, so that whenever you just simply click on the model window and just simply click on the material, so it comes to your mind that this was the material and it has these type of properties. So I will go with the default one as well. So material type I have selected rebar. And now it's since rebars only have one direction, uniaxial and multi-directional symmetry type, but some of the materials may be have isotropic direction, meaning to say that in any direction their properties are same. But for steel we have only one action and uniaxial, since it is a anisotropy material. And then we have the material display color, that what should be the color of the material when you use in the Etabs in your plan view, that what color it should show. It has given as default as the green one. So no problem, we will give going with this one. So here it has material notes, so you can here write about general information about your material or any properties, important properties on your materials. So it will be showing on you when you simply drag your mouse to the material, so it will be showing in front of you on the plan view. So you don't have to open this window and see again that what were the properties. So I will be taking it as empty. And here is your material weight and material and mass. So it's your choice that you want to define it as specific with density or specific mass density. So I will go with the specific mass density, and these values where they come, these are the standard values. And in the next video I will also show you the standards, that which are the standards and how we uh, check the value, how we specify the value, that it is these all our values are built in, but it is our responsibility that we should check these values, that either they are matching with the standard or not. Usually there is not an error, but it is our responsibility to check. So these are the values which are mentioned in the standard. We will be seeing in how we check these values and how we change these values in the next video. So here again there is modulus of elasticity and thermal expansion. So these values will also be mentioned in the standard. You just have to go to the standard and check whether this value is correct or not, and this value is correct or not. Now there is an important thing, our design property data. If you click on this, then it is giving you the design properties for the rebar materials. So yield strength, this is a standard one, that if you use a grade 40 steel, its fy will be this, its fu will be this, its expected will be this, and its ultimate will be this. So how do you get these values? These are the standard values, that a grade 40 steel must have 40,000 pound per inch square yield strength minimum and 60,000 tensile strength minimum. But when you test these type of rebars, their strength is changed. So you can put that the result of that test in these columns, in these tabs. So you can adjust it according to the your own material. These are all according to standard, but whenever material is manufactured in the factory, there is a difference of 1920. So minor difference can be possible. So you will write those parameters here. We will see how we check those parameters and in the upcoming videos. So I will be pressing OK here, and there is non-material data, and so we will not be checking these up till now, and simply I will press OK. So my material has been defined now. So simply, if you want to add a new material, we have defined the rebar. Now for steel, concrete, if I go to concrete, then standard, what do you customary. So we mostly use ACI. And here is a grade of a concrete FC prime. For example, I go with the 4000 psi. And okay, again you would name it according to your easiness and material type concrete. And now here you can see that your material direction isotropic or orthotropic. We will see that why concrete is isotropic and when concrete will be orthotropic. So again you will write your notes, and again you will match your values and E Poisson's ratio 0.2, and it will be all values according to the standard you have selected. You have to open the standard in front of you and check these values, whether these values are correct or not. Then design property data. Here is the FC prime, and according to this FC prime, you will have the this is FC prime, the strength of concrete at 28 days. According to this FC prime, you will define your FC as well. And if you want to select the lightweight concrete, the meaning to say that you have added the ingredients in your concrete to make it lightweight. And then your shear strength reduction factor, you will get it from the standard as well. So we will be seeing in all these things in the upcoming videos. In the next 1 or 2 videos, we will be seeing all these things. So you will simply press OK, and simply you will click on OK to define the materials. So uh, I would have to go to task bar setting. Since whole window is not visible to me, let me change my settings. Okay, now I simply press OK, and here I have defined my concrete. And if you want to, now we have defined our rebars, and now if we want to define our steels, there are standard dimensions. A36 is mostly used in Pakistan. If we talk about the Pakistan, and grade is a 36. You will simply press OK and define all these materials according to which I have told you about the previous one, and you will simply press OK and OK. Now your materials have been defined. Now if you go here and check, these are your materials, this is your materials, this is your materials. And if you, for example, if you have a concrete which properties are same, like if you have defined this, but it is of 3000 psi, so you will not go to add new material. You will simply go to add copy of this material, and simply go, and if you wanted to change its FC prime, you say it is of 30,000 3000, you will go here and simply change it to 3000 and OK and OK. So here is your material with those properties. You can see that it is of 3000 psi. Okay, okay. So in this way you define your materials in the Etabs, and I hope you like the video. And in the next video we will gonna discuss with the standards. By using our standards, I will be trying to use ASTM standards, American state, United States standard, mostly in the materials section, and as well as in the upcoming videos. So the procedure will be same, and if your standard is different, your values only will be different, and there will be a minor difference in the values, but we have to stick to one standard. So I hope you would like the video, and if you have any queries you can comment me below. I will try to answer you as soon as possible.